In March of 2021, Michael was out for a walk in his neighborhood in Fulton County when he encountered a woman out walking her dog. Michael was heading in the opposite direction of this woman, and he moved out of the way to let her pass. Despite that, the dog lunged off the sidewalk and bit his arm. The bite was so severe that it ended up requiring 28 stitches to heal, more than a year of medical treatment, which cost almost $100,000. Michael called us early on in the process because he had never been through this before and he didn't know what to do. One of our first steps was setting up an injury claim with the dog owner's homeowner's policy in order to recover for Michael's injuries. At that time, the adjuster on the file denied liability for the claim. His argument was that the dog was on a leash and there was nothing more that the dog owner was supposed to do. Well, we didn't take no for an answer in this case. Upon research, we discovered that not only is there a Georgia code that governs dog owner liability in these sorts of cases, but also some local codes in Johns Creek where the bite occurred. And one of those local codes from Johns Creek stated that a dog in public must be under the restraint of a responsible person. The argument that we ultimately made on Michael's behalf is that this dog was not under the restraint of a responsible person. If it had, there was no way that the bite would have occurred. When we made the demand on Michael's behalf, ultimately to the homeowner's insurance company, the same adjuster that had initially denied the claim, within weeks, ultimately paid the full policy limit of the claim for Michael, $300,000. For Michael, we were able to recover every single dollar available from the insurance company, and it was a complete and total win. Not every case is going to be like Michael's, but if you yourself or ever find yourself in a situation where you're bit by a dog, there are 3 things that you absolutely must do. 1, seek medical care immediately for whatever your injuries are. That needs to be the top priority for you. 2, report the incident to the local county animal control. This helps start a record of the incident actually occurring and later on can be useful in the investigation for us when we're looking into a claim. 3, talk to a lawyer. It's a difficult and tricky process, and you want someone who is experienced and who knows what they're doing to help you walk your way down that road.